grams is this?
Friends.
21. Is that fluid
Hello,
ounce?
friend. I am friends. We're cooking Filipino dish here in my daughter's place because I visited her and we are cooking
61 grams.
this okra peanut butter. It's done and we are cooking I don't know, 2 kinds of fish head, salmon and I don't know the other one, and pitsai and okra and
61.7
and it's boiling na sinigang and she's trying to bake Spanish bread.
61.7
This is the filling.
divided by,
It's like yema, and that's the dough. And she will pick.
I can make 22.
How much is this one? 10. What's this one? Mud cake. This is mud cake 10. Huh?
Brownies.
Brownies. My favorite. My favorite is mud cake, brownies, cheesecake, Spanish bread. That's why she's cooking. She's baking. So yeah. Okay. Oh.
I can make 22.
So you're making 22. Oh, there's a lot. So this one would be the one, the ordinary one that we are buying there. That is small would be.
Yeah.
Okay.
Well, we'll see if it will inflate.
And that's the tamarind soup base for my sinigang. So all good. All good.
It will be nice. The feeling of the dough is nice.
Okay. So it's almost done. Okay, that's it for today, friends. I will continue cooking and see you.